Before starting the installation, make sure that all accessories are complete and that the lock's battery charge level is sufficient. First, place the inner lock onto the door and carefully tighten the 4 inner lock screws using a screwdriver. Insert the cylinder and secure it by tightening the cylinder screw. Insert the square spindle into the inner lock. Next, attach the front panel and gently route the front handle cable toward the back. Then connect the front panel cable to the socket on the rear panel, paying attention to the correct orientation. Place the rear panel in position and secure it by tightening the 2 fixing screws. Install the battery and the battery cover. Finally, test the lock and unlock buttons to ensure that the installation has been completed correctly and smoothly.